Hi, welcome to YOH Crochet. My name is Anita. Thanks for stopping by and thanks for everything you do. Thanks for watching. So today we are going to look inside of this book that I received. I received it for a Christmas gift, and it is Edward Menagerie. I don't know how to say the last name, but it's dogs, and it is all dogs. And I received this from my Christmas exchange partner, and that was Miss Billy, as I call her, Billy, the crafty Floridian. And so we have, look at that, 65 canine crochet patterns. And I have made one item out of here. I don't know if I want to show it in this video or a separate video. We'll just go ahead and grab it, and I will show it to you in this video. And I will show it to you when I come to the pattern. So, dogs, and look at the inside cover. All the doggies. And so we have it listed, each breed, which pattern it is. There's a beginner pattern section and an advanced, and there are way more patterns in the advanced section as there are the beginner. See, there is the beginner patterns, and then the advanced. Look at all the advanced ones. And then there is a technical section about the stitches and basic skills and stuffing and sewing and face details and blah de blah de blah. And stuff you need. The sizing, it just talks about how to get different sizes of dogs by using different size yarns. And then in the front there is also the generic body shape and generic leg shape. So a lot of the patterns will use these basic shapes, and they will refer you back to this page in the pattern directions. If they want you to make a different shaped body, they will specify that. So first we have Eleanor the Labrador. Okay. And then we have Enzo the French Bulldog. Looks kind of like a wolf. Just a little bit. Then we have Maximilian the Weimaraner. So these are the easy patterns. And Constance the Porcelain. And Millie the Poodle. This one's cute. I'm not really a huge poodle person, but they did a good job designing that. Chad the American Water Spaniel. I think the poodle started the more intermediate patterns. No, because this one looks easy too. I'm not sure. Nope, we're still in the beginner patterns. So the American Water Spaniel was beginner, and Lion the Bordeaux. I can't say, it's like French. It seems like it's a French breed. But anyway, there he is. Looks very similar to the lab. A Puli, Babel the Puli. Look at all of that hair. And now we're into the advanced section. So we have Spencer the pug. That doesn't really look very advanced, in my opinion. No, not at all. Zoe the Pumi. This one's kind of cute. It looks like she has little pigtails. And then we have Rachel the Bedlington Terrier. So a lot of these dogs do use the loop stitch. And then we have Saxon, the Cocker Spaniel, and I did make a Cocker Spaniel. And I followed the pattern, but the ears on mine, maybe I needed to make the loops longer. I'm not sure, but the ears don't look as fluffy as they do in the pattern. And I did do a two-tone nose. So there is my Cocker Spaniel, and the tail also has loops on it. I don't know. The finished pattern in the book just looks much cuter. I did some color work on her nose, obviously, so it doesn't quite resemble the pattern. There's the pattern, the picture from the book once again. Okay, and then we have Lexi the Husky. And if I'm definitely going to do the Husky, but they used a very, very light gray and white, so it almost looks like the whole thing is white. And I would do the black instead of the light gray, because that is the color Miko is. And we have Holmes the Basset Hound. Rooney the Border Terrier. Axel the German Shepherd. Reginald the Scottish Terrier. This one's cute. And Jeff the West Highland Terrier. Don the Golden Retriever. And I know Golden Retrievers have that real long fur on their chest, but I don't, and on their legs and their tails and stuff. I'm not sure if I'm really feeling the way that looks. Annie the Red Setter. Holly the Staffordshire Bulldog. Rosie the Dachshund. Daisy the Border Collie. Romeo the Schnauzer. This guy's really cute too. It very much resembles a Schnauzer. Laura the Chinese Crested. This one's kind of strange looking. I'm not sure if I want to make that one or not. Samson the Old English Sheepdog. This one's adorable. Again with a loop stitch. Doris the Shih Tzu. Very cute. Mark the Dalmatian. Kate the Boxer. I'm not sure about the nose on that. Maybe there's just too much black. Evelyn the Chihuahua. I'm not sure about that one either. Ella the Rottweiler. This one's cute. It looks like a, I don't know, like a little bear. Lenny the Chow Chow. Look at that. Look at its little mane. It looks like a little bear or a little lion or something. It's so cute. It looks like it's a face and a big pom-pom. Myra the, I can't say that breed. Dorothy, the Yorkshire Terrier. Tyrone, the English Bulldog. It's Spuds McKenzie. Gemma, the Whippet. Angelina, the Samoyed. Joyce, the Irish Wolfhound. And Amy, the Afghan Hound. This one's kind of cute too. Ilana, the Newfoundland. Sime, the Pekingese. Is it Pekingese? I'm not sure. Madison, the Papillon. I'm not sure how to say that. Looks like she's got like high ponytails. Biren, the Shar-Pei. Look at all the wrinkles. Oh, the legs look weird. Where the legs are attached, it looks kind of strange to me. Wainwright, the Lakeland Terrier. Honey, the Corgi. I think this is probably in the intermediate section because there's a lot of color work. Changing colors. Andreas, the is it Moody? I don't know. M-U-D-I. Hugo, the Brussels Griffin. Lola, the Beagle. This one is super, super adorable, and I want to make her for sure at some point. Look at the big ears. Oh my goodness. Columbus, the red Tibetan Mastiff. He's very foofy. Philip, the King Charles Spaniel. So what I did on my Cocker Spaniel is I followed the nose for this Spaniel and for the color work, and I put it on here. Riley, the St. Bernard. Allison, the Great Dane. Vera, the British Bulldog. I'm not sure about that one either. It just looks kind of odd. Barney, the Boston Terrier. Cheryl, the Australian Cattle Dog. Brandon, the Wire Fox Terrier. And we are getting to close to the end here. Eloise, I can't say that. What is that? Saluki? Felicity, the Doberman. Tucker, the Jack Russell. Then the Springer Spaniel. Actually, I use the Springer Spaniel nose, not the other Spaniel, for my Cocker Spaniel. And there's another picture of a bunch of different dogs. Oh, so cute. And then the only thing with these dogs, in the photos, they only show the front view, so you don't really see what the tail is supposed to look like. So crossbreed, then they have a section called crossbreeds and making your own dog. They have some examples, some patterns in here of crossbreeds. and they just talk about color variation, tweaking a pattern, adding eye patches to various existing patterns. Yeah, just a bunch of tips for creating your crossbreeds. Mixing and matching patterns for different breeds. And they give an example for a Shetland sheepdog that they did. I'll show you. Down here, it's a Shetland sheepdog. They just took the body of the Basset Hound and the legs of the Springer Spaniel, the head of the German Shepherd, or no, the ears of the German Shepherd, and the legs that are standard, and the tail they took from the Beagle, and they combined them all together, and yeah, and that is how they created their Shetland sheepdog. So then in the crossbreed sections, the one that we actually have patterns for are Amanda the Cockapoo, Madeline the Schnoodle, Rupert the Puggle, and Napoleon the Labradoodle. And I'm not sure I like how most of these crossbreeds turned out. I probably will not make many of the crossbreeds, if any. Pepper the Cavapoo. They just look kind of strange to me. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. And then, yeah, in the back, technical skills, basic skills, the stitches. They talk about how to do the loop stitches, color changing, stuffing, how to sew things together, face details, ears, tails. There are quite a few different. Oh, here they show that. Okay, now this is where they show the backs of the dogs and the different styles of tails. Where is the tail? No, I'm not seeing the one on the Cocker Spaniel. Yeah, I'm not seeing. But here they're showing the backs of the dogs to show what their tails look like. So they don't have this in each specific patterns photos where the pattern actually is. You need to reference to that information in this section of the book. So I missed that before. I did not realize until just now. And then on the back cover, there are more photos of all the dogs. And that is it. And so this book is a grand total of 173 pages. And one thing about this book too, it is written in UK terms. So the price on this book, I believe you can find this on Amazon. I'm not sure what the price is in US currency, but the back of the book says UK it's $16.99. And are they pounds? I think their currency is pounds. I think that's the symbol for pounds. But I will try to find this book in Amazon and put the link for you in the description box. So if you are interested in making up some of your own dogs, you will have that information. And I'm going to make quite a few out of here. Not all of them, but a fair amount of them. I think I want to make the Beagle next because that is so cute. maybe I'll do the husky first. I'm not sure. So yeah, the Cocker Spaniel that I did. So, oh, there goes my book. He is a little wonky because I sewed the parts together on New Year's Eve. And I'm not going to lie, I was a slight bit tipsy. So his legs are a little crooked. See, look at that. But we can just move them. His head is a little cockeyed. Yeah, I could have done a better job on this, but it is what it is. I guess he's just a special Cocker Spaniel. And yep, that's all I have for you today. So I will see you next time. Oh, well, no, I'll talk about that in the next video I do, because this one is already 20 minutes long. But just a friendly reminder to, if you haven't yet and you're interested in checking out the virtual craft fair, I was going to say virtual reality for a minute there, virtual craft fair Facebook group, if you are interested in either trying to sell some of your items for supplemental income, or if you are interested in checking out other people's items, all crafts are welcome. The link is in the description box. Just go ahead and click on that and ask for an invite, and me or one of the admins will get you approved. Nobody's really posted anything yet in there. We only have about 21 members right now. I might go ahead and post something up for sale just to get the ball rolling and encourage people to go ahead and start doing that. Yeah, so that's all I have for you for today. Thanks again for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye.